Hello and welcome to a new video by Parliament SEO YouTube channel, and in this video we will be discussing the SEO mistake number 9, which is about ignoring image optimization. So it's really important to put properly optimized images on your website. So what does optimized images mean? Optimized images means optimized size wise and optimized SEO wise as well. So size wise optimization means having an image that is not that much heavy, and it's qualitative as well. So it's not that much large, and it fits to the screen as well. So these are the general guidelines, like using image below 100 kilobytes yeah, of size. It's better to have. And then because it can slow down your website and affect user experience. So apart from using a size optimized image, you should be using other SEO, you should be following other SEO guidelines related to image optimization as well. These are using a proper alternative text for your image, alt text in short, which is normally for accessibility purpose. For example, some people, they are not that much able to see your image. They are definitely able. So if they are not able to see your image, they could write the text what was the image about. For example, if a motorcycle or cycle is it's standing, so if your image is about a standing cycle on a footpath and having a tree on in its left side as well, like just an imagination. So your alt text should be describing that thing as well, and try to fit in your main keyword naturally within the alt text, not just for the sake of putting in the keywords. That would happen naturally if you are using relevant images. For example, if my website is about coffee, sorry, if my image, if the topic of the blog is about coffee grinders under $300, and the images I'm putting are also coffee grinders under $300, then it makes sense to use the same keyword in the alt text as well. But you could, if you are using different images in your web page, so it's completely logical to put different related keywords as well, if they make sense. So remember to always think of SEO is some logical concept, like always do things keeping users on the front seat and thinking from their perspective and trying to solve their issues. So when you start doing this, even in image optimization as well, like the if your image is perfectly sized, it's below 100 kb, it fits in the screen, it's placed in the right area of the page, and it loads perfectly, and it is perfectly relevant to the content of the page as well, and it's something meaningful, not just in image. Then obviously it's going to work for you, and then obviously it's going to boost up your ranking, and if users are liking it, and it would be great for user experience as well, because we humans, we like to see some images, some multimedia as well, within large blocks of text as well. So this makes sense. So also I think I need to share some best practices with you as well. So this is alt tag and text for SEO definition best practices. It's from Corey Tugberg Guber. It's the link of this page is holistic.seo.digital/on-page SEO/alt tag. So it's about alt tag and text for SEO best practices. It's about best practices. I highly suggest reading this in detail and focusing on the factors like these, like discussed here. So I will put the link to this web page in the description of the video as well. So apart from that, if you are still unsure about image optimization and whether your website is perfectly image optimized or not when it comes to users experience and user perspective and an SEO perspective as well, then we are obviously more than ready to help you in this SEO journey. You could just go to parliament.com and just book a session with us. We'll be happy to help you in this perspective. Also, if you found this content helpful, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, because we are going to put 91 more videos about SEO mistakes that you need to avoid, and this will be going on daily basis. Thank you for this, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.